Think of an animal, imagine an animal, and I'd like you to write down an animal that you would think yourself to be. It's not a case of, well, this is the qualification, this is what we've got to do. It's, you know, reflecting on how things have gone, speaking to the learners, seeing what it is they want. And again, it's making things current. You know, if there's a particular news story, trying to bring that into the classroom setting so that we can discuss it and look at how that impacts on the workplace.
I think Jeanette's been really supportive because we all came together as a group and nobody really knew each other, and now we're really good friends, and I think Jeanette's helped with that because we've done a lot of group work and nobody wanted to stand up in the front of the class, and now we're all confident in doing that. And I've put that into practice as well because I've spoken openly at a breakfast seminar for Apprentice Week, so I thought that really helped.
Because they only see each other initially one day a week and then they go away and they don't see each other for the rest of that time. So it's really nice to get them to become cohesive and work together and sort of support each other through the rest of the year. Because we're a college in Wales, it's been fantastic to be able to introduce a one-day Welsh language course. So the students who are frontline, business admin, can learn some conversational Welsh. So that's really helpful.
Well, Jeanette is one of those lecturers who really does go the extra mile. She just doesn't turn up from 9 to 4 and teach a lesson. She considers what she's going to teach, how she can improve it on an ongoing basis, and strives for excellence in her teaching and learning.
The results are fantastic, in fairness. The students work really hard. Part of the course is exam-based, part of it is portfolio-based, and part of it is assignment-based. And there's a big mix there, and they all succeed really well.
She encouraged me to apply for university, and I had an unconditional offer for a business management degree, and I never thought I'd be able to do that. I put that down to Jeanette being an amazing teacher and being very encouraging.